This new and third generation of the Nissan Frontier completely redesigned presents an imposing and an aggressive design in the 2022 model. Of course, the level of equipment that I saw in one of the most striking in the line, the Pro 4X. The 2022 model, in addition to its Frontier S and SV versions, the truck sees the return of the Pro 4X model. The Pro 4X comes with a long list of off-road accessories including Bilstein shocks, a Dana rear axle and off-road tires. Once you look at the new 2022 Nissan Frontier, you are struck by the front of the truck. The grille is very impressive. Also, it has a much larger hood than the previous model and the one that gives it much more mature look. The 2022 Frontier's fenders are bigger and more muscular, offering a feeling of great durability. This Frontier Pro 4X that I drove for a week comes with all-wheel drive. It includes LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights and lava red grille accents, things that are also included in the Frontier Pro 2X two-wheel drive only. The 2022 Pro 4X's side have high shoulders but not at all out of tune. With the aggressiveness of this forehead, on the contrary, it presents an adequate harmony. The rear part with a short bed is very well achieved thanks to the fenders, which by the way are also muscular and combine perfectly with the rear bumper, achieving a perfect and stylish finish for this great 2022 Nissan Frontier. Inside the car we have seats covered in fine leather, a multifunction steering wheel with different buttons, a large full-color touchscreen in the center of the dashboard, among other details. An 8-inch touchscreen is standard, upgradable to a 9-inch unit, as is a 7-inch driver information display flanked by analog gauges. On models with the largest touchscreen, you can even add a surround view camera with an off-road mode for navigating rough mountain trails. 2022 Nissan Frontier's engine is a 3.8-litre direct injection V6 which offers 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. This engine works in conjunction with a 9-speed automatic transmission that was designed to maximize efficiency and offers strong acceleration.